Good morning, and welcome to the Care Podcast, a podcast exploring the intersection of sports and the mental game, brought to you by Alamo City Sports Network. I'm your host, Coach Bob Herb. Today's quote is a powerful one, and it comes from the late Maya Angelou, poet, activist, and all-around wisdom machine. She said, "People will forget what you say, they will forget what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel." Now listen, I've said a lot of things over the years as a coach. Some of them were motivational gems. Others were more like, "Run it again," or "You call that a hustle." But if this quote is right, and I believe it is, then the lasting impact we have on others isn't in the words or even the wins, but in the emotional footprint we leave behind. So let's dig into how this plays out in sports and life. Let's talk about coaches, because this one hits home for us. Every athlete remembers that one coach who believed in them when no one else did. The one who looked them in the eye and said, "I trust you with the ball." You might not remember the exact speech or the final score, but you remember that feeling, confidence. On the flip side, there are coaches who yell, criticize, and never seem satisfied. Even if they knew their X's and O's, what lingers is the frustration, the doubt, the pressure. It's a reminder for all of us. Whether you're coaching, teaching, parenting, or leading, the emotional tone you set sticks longer than any stat sheet. Let's go to the locker room, where culture is built. Some players light up a team. They crack jokes, high-five everyone, and bring the energy up when it's been a rough day. That feeling they create, it matters. It holds the team together. Others might lead with effort or talent, but never say a word. And yet, their body language, their support, their presence, still felt. And here's the kicker. Long after the season ends, we don't just remember who scored the most or benched the most. We remember who made us feel seen, respected, fired up, valued. Think about it in your own life outside sports. Who were the people that stuck with you? The teacher who stayed after class to help? The friend who showed up when life got heavy? The parent who just listened? They may not have said the perfect thing. They may not have had a grand solution, but they showed up in a way that made you feel supported. That's legacy. That's what people carry with them. So what's the takeaway? In the game of life, it's not always what you do, it's what you leave behind. That could be a feeling of encouragement, of belonging, of joy. Or, if we're not intentional, it could be the opposite. Pressure, fear, insecurity. So the challenge for all of us, as teammates, coaches, leaders, and friends, is this. How do people feel when they're around you? Not just when you're winning, not just when things are easy, but in the grind, the losses, and the locker room moments that no one else sees. Because those are the moments that stick. Listeners, we want to hear from you. Who made you feel like you mattered? Give them a shout out on X using the hashtag #ACSNFeltThat. Whether it was a coach, a teammate, or someone outside of sports, let's celebrate the people who got the feeling part right. Thanks for tuning into the Care Podcast. Be intentional with your words, consistent in your actions, and most importantly, make people feel seen and supported. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in next time as we continue to explore the mental side of the game and of life. From Alamo City Sports Network, I'm Bob Herb. Have an eventful week!